Listing 3736 is a well-established, profitable, and highly regarded auto repair business and property for sale in Metro Atlanta. With annual sales of $1.5 million and equipment valued at $200,000 that's included in the sale, this is the perfect opportunity to own an ASE Blue certified shop that has an established customer base and has been in business for 4 decades. The 6,000 square foot building rests on nearly an acre of land, has 7 bay doors, 13 lifts, and parking for 45. The staff of 8 includes 4 technicians and 4 office personnel. All inquiries are required to submit a non-disclosure agreement. A long-term lease will be considered for a well-qualified buyer. For more information, please call 770-885-0000 or email us at sales@autobizbrokers.com.